Another New Black World Order TV Productions. Uh-huh. Chopper, chopper. What's happening, family? Yeah. Nature Boy. Yeah. Nature Boy. So everybody crying about this Nature Boy. But what about Mama D? What about a pseudo scientist, a fake witch doctor nigga telling an older woman to get off her medications? Yeah, justice for Mama D. Why ain't them three blind mice crying on the internet for Mama D? Yeah, y'all forgot about Mama D. But see, I've been watching y'all for a long time. What happened to Mama D? Yeah, nobody worried about no mother loving Nature Boy. What about, and what happened to Mama D? Justice for Mama D. You heard?